we have gone out and got marshmallow Peeps in light of the holiday season. And for our entertainment, we are going to put them in the microwave of doom for a battle to the death. On this corner, we have the Dreaded Pumpkinablo Brothers. And in this corner, we have the Black Cat.
What?
Now, let's hear it from our fans.
Yay!
Ready? And 30 seconds on the microwave of doom. Start. You'll never take me, Pumpkinablo Brothers. Oh yeah, double team. Ah, we're expanding. It's working. We are becoming one, brother. No, this is horrible. I'm going to blow up. I am a fat cat. No!
Oh my
Wow.
God.
They really got big. This is my hand. Now that's how to expand your money.
And the Pumpkinablo Brothers won.
No, they didn't. I thought the Black Cat won.
Anyway, anymore.
Well,
Oh, he does.
well, anyway, post your comments below, and we'll see who won this dreaded match. Bye.